Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video let's see what are the messages for you in this video. And as these are general readings, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. Let's see what are the messages for Cancerians. What's going on, Cancerians? So we have the Ace of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands, the Three of Cups, the Hangman, the Four of Wands, the Ace of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, the Devil, the Magician. Magician, the Empress, the Four of Pentacles. So Cancerians, there has been you've started with something new. There has been something new in your life, and because of, and this something new is something promising to be stable also, and it is giving you a lot of happiness. You are happy, you are partying with your friends and family, and you are feeling very relaxed also. You're feeling very relaxed, you feel unburdened, you feel as if things are very good in your life. You're really happy with this new beginning. But one thing is there that see, what I feel here is that it is like the last step which you need to, or the last hurdle, not the step, it is the last hurdle which you're feeling unburdened. As I said, you're feeling relaxed and you are on that edge. It's the last hurdle which you need to cross. It's the last hurdle which you need to cross to gain that happiness. It's something like that. Okay, so whatever this new beginning which has started in your life, or whatever you've started in your life, is giving you a lot of happiness. You feel relaxed, as I said, and it is, you are at that end of the road where it is the last hurdle or the last blockage which you need to cross to achieve that happiness or that bliss or that party times, whatever you call it. But and then we have the Hangman, the Four of Wands, and the Ace of Swords. So you want a new beginning over here. You want a new beginning in a commitment. Okay, and you are thinking of the ways and means as to what to do, how to do it. That's what I feel. Okay, that is on your mind. You want a new beginning in commitment. Okay, stability, long term, something long, you want something long term, you want something committed, you want a new beginning in that direction. But there is a stagnation also here. There is a period here in between these happy times and celebrations and wanting of that commitment or that something new which you are wanting. There is a phase here with the Hangman which is stagnant. Things are just not moving forward. You feel stuck, but that is what is on your mind. You are thinking of the ways and means as to how can I get that commitment, how can I get that stability or that long term or that happiness which you are actually looking for. Okay, so though this is a small beginning here, it is a new beginning here, but this is what you are aiming at. You want it to stabilize, you want it to be grounded. Okay, so whatever this new beginning is, you want it to be there permanently, sort of. And you are, but it's not happening right now. It's not happening right now, but you are thinking of the ways and means as to how to achieve it. It's something like that. Okay, and with the Ace of Swords, you are getting that clarity and you are taking a step forward, perhaps again, as to how to achieve it. That's what I feel. But what I feel here is with the Seven of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, and the Devil, there is something which you really need to look at. Okay, you want something stable, you want something long term and committed, and you want a new beginning in that direction, but you really need to look back at something. That's what I feel. There is something which here needs to be corrected and sorted out, and this is something which is holding you back, there is some sort of a deep pain in your heart, and that is what is holding you back. It is affecting this new beginning, I should say. It is affecting, there is a pain which needs to be addressed over here. There is a deep seated pain, a deep rooted agony in your heart which needs to be addressed over here, and you need to take a look at it once again before you are able to move into the new beginning. Or once again, if you are able to, if you really want to reap the benefits of a new beginning, because, and that is what you are doing with the Seven of Pentacles. You are looking back once again, and you are addressing those fears, those past experiences, whatever the pain is which is affecting this something new which you actually are wanting here, the Four of Wands. Because for once you are looking back and addressing those issues, I should say, which are coming from a place of agony and pain, which are holding you back, which are really burning everything in your life, those issues need to be addressed, and you are addressing them. And once you are able to give that look once again and recorrect them, we have the Magician, the Empress, and the Four of Pentacles. So definitely you are getting something precious. There is a new beginning here. You have the resources, and with the Magician and the Empress, there is a lot of abundance and a lot of I should say promise of abundance and happiness which is coming up. And with the Four of Pentacles, you are feeling very, very content. It's something really precious. You're really holding on to it close to your chest. But before you achieve it, and before you get what you want to actually get or what you're aiming at, there is something which you need to address, some issues which need to be addressed, and that is what you are doing. With the Seven of Pentacles, you are actually giving that last final look as to how should I correct the situation so that you can achieve what you actually want to achieve. Again, we have the Three of Clubs, which is again commitment, party, happiness, long-term stability, guidance from the angels, messenger of thought. A new topic or intellectual project is actually exciting you. There is so much to learn before you feel ready to move forward. New information may require changes to your plans. Review all documents carefully. You know, will meet, or you are someone who loves to learn and share knowledge. This person is brilliant and truthful, but also blunt and not very diplomatic. So Cancerians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.